Where's the bird?
Nigga, I don't know yet.
Thank you.
Where the bird at?
I'm gonna keep.
Take that motherfucking bird out.
Watch it, watch it.
Where'd it go? Is it stuck in there?
Yeah, it's stuck in the green.
Yeah, it's like burning.
He's in there though.
Oh, it's right here.
He's at the bottom.
It's right here. Should I grab him by the tail feathers?
No, you're not supposed to do that to a bird.
Where is it? Oh, yeah.
You should have bites it.
Oh, I got gloves. Yeah.
Well, you're not gonna get raped.
Right there, the bird right there. He's fine. He ain't
Yo,
flying.
Ricardo, what you doing in there?
Oh, time to make a funeral. Oh shit, shit better get cray. He got fucked, my nigga. He got fucked. Ya está cabrón. Nah, I gotta record this.
Chill out. Chill out. Chill out, chulo.
Ciao, mate.
Whoa! I told you weren't supposed to.
Oh shit. Trying to help it.
Yeah, that's it. It's done.
That shit ain't fine. Yo, move, nigga. Move.
Damn, B. Come on, B.
Yo, Fundo, let me do it. You got gloves on, bro.
Wait, stop.
I gotta hurt it.
There you go, right there, right there.
God damn!
There's a feature boxes in there.
Where that?
Alright, focus, boys.
Never coming out.
No, you should have given me. We've had birds in here before. Don't come out. No, I just didn't want him to bite.
Ricardo.
He's probably burning up.
Yeah, there he goes.
Fine.
No, he's walking.
Alright, let's get on top of the light.
Alright, we at.